So this in particular property I was able to buy for $7,000. In this video I'm just going to show you how I bought it and actually where I bought it from. You can buy properties from foreclosure sites, and that's where I bought it from, so I think you're going to like what I got for you in this video. Alright, what's up you guys, and thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel. What's up you guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithms. In today's video, I want to discuss and talk about another property that I was able to purchase for $7,000. And this is a property that I was able to purchase for $7 grand. I know you guys hear me talk about it, but I've had some luck in the past with investment properties, and this one right here happens to be one of those properties that I had luck with. This property was a foreclosure, and I was able to buy this property. Pretty much the market was not as saturated as it is now, so I was able to actually buy it for $7 grand. Now the property was listed for $21,000. It did not look like this at all. That window was boarded up. The color, I painted the house. Nobody in the neighborhood was paying it any attention. This is why I tell you guys not to invest with your emotions. I do not invest with my emotions, because I do not have to live in the property. You do not have to live in the property. So if you are a real estate investor, always keep these things in mind. This property is a nice home, a nice structure, and I like it. And this is actually one of my favorites. I know we don't supposed to have favorites as real estate investors, but this happens to be one of my favorite properties right here. We didn't have to do a lot of work. It has hardwood floors on the inside, and so we were able to actually come in here. Didn't take a lot to actually get this property going. Not to mention that one of the advantages of having a property that is paid off with no mortgage, let's say, hey, we do get into a crisis and there is something like a pandemic, and you do have a mortgage on the property. Well, you have to worry about paying that mortgage, correct? Well, if you don't have a mortgage, then what if your tenants don't pay? Then you are not really concerned if they do or they don't, because the property is paid for. So those are one of my biggest pet peeves when it comes down to properties. I know that a lot of people do have mortgages on properties. Nothing wrong with that. But again, if you can go into CD class neighborhoods, you can buy these properties cash and profit and cash flow well. I'm gonna give you guys a few websites that you can check out and actually purchase foreclosed properties. Homesteps.com is one, and then you have homepath.com, that's another one. And these are all foreclosed properties. This property is a great investment for me. I currently rent this property now for $675 a month. I put about 12 grand in the renovations, and so and it's been rented for at least 5 years now. So if you want to consider investing in real estate, always consider investing in C and D class neighborhoods. This is a D class neighborhood, and now you guys hear me talk about it all the time, but hey, this investment has been great for me.